2, 3, 4. This is $4 right here. $4. So cute. These are the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I got 2 of these gold glittery berry stems, and I ended up not even using them. I just picked these pine cones up from the ground outside, so they cost absolutely nothing. And the wreath was $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I also purchased leaf lights, and they look like this. And ribbon with super cute pumpkins on them. And last but not least, our centerpiece. It says Happy Harvest. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure by now, I've already mentioned that I got all of this stuff from the Dollar Tree. This wreath and this. So what I'm going to start by trying to show you guys, I'm probably not going to show you how I glue everything down because I'm just gluing it, but I'm going to attach this and this together. I'm just right now, all I'm going to do, I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. I guess I can put it down, set it down to show you, is get this string right here that it came with, and I'm going to take that off. I'm going to try to hurry because I don't have that much time on this camera. And you see this part right here? I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to put it around it. And that's going to attach it like so. So when I put it on my door, it's going to look like this. Well, some of it anyway, because we're not all the way done. So it'll look like that when I put it on my door. And also guys, I'm going to try to move the camera some because I don't like how, okay, well, whatever. Now, I'm going to actually glue this thing on here like so it won't move. So right now I'm basically just working on my placement because I don't know where I want everything at right now. And I went and got these out of our, well, from the trees around our apartment complex. So this was free. And I have these really cool lights as well that I'm going to put on here. We're going to work on placement because I don't know where I want anything at right now. I was thinking I wanted 2 pine cones here. Well, not 2, but one there, one there. And I was thinking about covering up this part, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm still working on placement. This is what I was thinking. I'm just going to show you guys. Uh-oh. Yeah, I was thinking of something along the lines of this. It looked a lot cuter earlier when I first did it. I may just insert the clip. I don't know what I want to do with the ribbon yet. I think I'm just going to come back when I figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting the ribbon around this. When you get it all wrapped up, it should look like something like this, or however you want to wrap it. I kind of messed up on this part, but I'll go back and fix it, because right now I'm just trying to show you guys, you know, the gist of the wreath. But like I said, I'll go back and fix all of that to make it look better. But anyway, when you get it wrapped around, you want to secure it, and you can super glue it or you can tape it, but I'll probably just tie mine because more than likely I'm going to reuse my wreath. And guys, I'm just going to put this in the middle, and I'm going to glue this like on the center with hot glue. And I want you guys to see, I'm going to try to move it without messing it up. See this ribbon right here? I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it around like that so it'll hang. Yeah guys, and I'm just going to continue to add to the wreath. Like I said, I don't have a plan for this yet, so we're going to kind of just play with it. Pretty, just like this, without all of the extra. If you're really simple like that, you can just leave it like that. I have no idea like where I want the lights at, but this is basically how you can do a DIY wreath for your house. Yeah, just for your door. It's a real small wreath, nothing major. And if you want it more bulky, you can always add more ribbon to make it look bigger. But yeah, I'm thinking that this may be all I do to it. I don't know. I may just do this and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and see. I'll be back, guys. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't know. Comment under this video and tell me if you think I should add more to it, but I'm kind of here for this. You know, I don't know. I'm thinking if I add too much to it, it may be a little bit too much, but I am still gonna put the lights on, but I'm not gonna put them on until after I hang this up. I was gonna add pine cones to it, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking the pine cones may be a little too much. Just, guys, let me know what you think. Yes to the pine cones, no to the pine cones, or what? What do you guys think? But anyway, yeah, if you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye. Happy fall, y'all.